Hello and welcome to another Maharlika PH Boats showcase. Introducing the Interceptor DV15 RW30. The Interceptor DV15 RW30 is an ultra high speed patrol boat for maritime security missions like anti piracy and border control. So, as you can see, this boat has a turret. Currently, it is able to shoot unlimited bullets, but I will make it require a magazine uh, with uh, with limited bullets in the upcoming updates. Uh, the, s- Currently, the turret can be controlled using your keyboard. So at present, you can control this using I, J, K, and L on your keyboard, and then space to shoot. But you can configure it using the settings, right? Your DayZ settings. So to demonstrate, we have here a small rubber boat, a vanilla rubber boat. I'll control the turret to point to that particular location, and hopefully I can uh, aim it correctly because well, it's a little bit difficult um, to point to aim rather. So let's try shooting it. And as you can see, the boat was destroyed. Right? You can also shoot this into players, in zombies, or anything that takes damage. Right. So let's try turning it turning it on.